Let's face it, our mobility needs change over the years. That could be due to aging, disability, or joint replacement. At that point, it's better to make changes so you can age in place rather than have a slip and fall in your bathtub. A call to One Day Bath can point you in the right direction. For instance, you may consider a bathtub to shower conversion, which can be completed in a day or two.
So one process would be where we actually remove a bathtub, slide in a brand new shower pan, and then put in like a new surround, which could be like a simulated wall tile or a marble look. You get new fixtures. So basically, it's remodeling the shower area. So now you have a beautiful walk-in shower.
Owner Paul Echeverria says your new walk-in shower may be easier for you to access getting in and out. Plus, the new shower surround is mildew and stain resistant and comes with a lifetime guarantee. You can choose to have a shower curtain or a glass shower door. There are many different options as well as accessories you can choose from.
We work with different types of grab bars. We have grab bars that work as shower caddies. We have grab bars that act as soap holders and stuff like that. So we have the decorative grab bars as well as the good old-fashioned regular security grab bar.
The company also offers another option called TubcuT. The company's name says exactly what they do. They will cut your bathtub so you can enter it as if it were a shower.
We literally cut the tub, any size. We can cut out the whole front of a tub. Typical size that we do is like 24 inches in width or 30 inches in width. And we usually accomplish a 4-inch step-in off the floor. And what's unique about that is that step-in from floor into shower now mimics the same transition as if you had a shower pan. And that's what makes it very unique. So you're basically getting the same feel and safety of a walk-in shower without going through that heavy expense or 1 to 2 days being out without a shower.
Paul says instead of spending thousands of dollars on a bathroom renovation, TubcuT is a great solution. But no matter what you choose, there's no need for major construction or plumbing work to be done. The conversion takes 1 day, and your reinvented shower is ready to be used by the very next day. Any type of tub can be modified: cast iron, steel, fiberglass, and acrylic. And it's done right on site in your home.
So typically we would set up a template system to ensure that the cut is going to be nice and even and straight, and it starts and ends exactly where you want it. So during that process, you will draw it out, and he'll start cutting the tub with some special blades we have, depending upon the type of tub that it is. Because it's important to know that when we modify a tub, we can follow the same contour as your existing bathtub.
After the cuts are made, the technician finishes the edges of the remaining tub to make it look like it came right out of the factory. This is a very affordable and economic solution for people who are aging in place, an older grandparent or a parent, for example, or for people who have been injured or have a sudden disability who need help. The tub can always be reversed back to the way it originally was if your needs ever change. And Paul says sometimes family members start to realize the need for conversion services before it becomes a crucial issue.
It's amazing. Most folks who get a TubcuT done, it's something that they have long thought about. They actually, have an issue of thinking about taking a shower and what that, what the danger is of that, and not feeling secure getting in and out of their tub. So when it's done, it's a gratifying for them to know, especially once the best person to speak to is the person who used it for the first time.
When you're ready to make a change in your home, you can trust a small private company like One Day Bath and TubcuT. You can make an appointment right from your home, and a technician will do the rest, making sure you're getting what you really need and want.
I think one of the big reasons why people love One Day Bath and what we do is that we just keep it very simple. We keep it to the point, and we're able to give people an affordable walk-in shower without that high cost or stress.
Being independent in this way allows you to stay in your own home longer and really gives you a new lease on life. Visit odbpro.com.